the show that gives you 4 reasons to say oh. Hawaii Five-0, Season 2, Monday to Friday, 9 p.m, only on Prime.
Yeah, look, I think in digital there are a few things which are really exciting me. One is, I think digital has the potential to move us from a sampling kind of a mindset into a census kind of a mindset. And by that I mean that a lot of measurement that we do in marketing today is very sample based, and digital, whether it is say through set-top boxes tomorrow in TV, or whether of course it is through entire online behavior, or tomorrow, I mean, like for example, Kapil was talking about the entire the cinema piece, something as old world as cinema, even that getting digitally thing. It's possible now to get the data at a granular level, at a census level, and then to be able to mine to that, so that leads it to targeting a billion one at a time kind of thing, which I like. So that is one. The other inherent power of digital is the entire piece of interactivity. Now, in the past, communication is so-called being called communication, but by definition, communication is it's a feedback loop. Interactive allows that, and this obvious corollary of that, which is awesome, is the entire multi-person interactivity, which is leading to the social network, and from there, of course, the entire social media that we are right now talking about. So that's huge. The third area is, I think, the ability to link multiple devices. So if whether it is what starts off at a simple thing, a mobile, laptop or a PC, into a say iPad or these kind of screens, and the other thing it migrates to at some point in time is what is called the Internet of Things. So even getting devices like a TV or a dryer or a oven talking to your phone. I think all of this allows itself to again open itself to marketers in totally different ways. And not the least is this entire real-time querying that people do, whether it is querying or the consumption of content. Now, this itself is also one which just lends itself to the entire way in which communication content or marketing content is going to be. It may not be a 30-second commercial anymore. It can be a totally different kind of content basis how people now consume it on the web. And a link to that is this entire piece about being mobile. So you can do anytime now. It's not, you're not just a function of TV you're watching when you're at home, or print you're doing typically at one point in time. This is on the move, real time, anytime. So these 4 or 5 inherent powers in digital are game changers for marketers. The engagement part, I think, comes from the kind of content you put in and the entire viral nature or the social nature which comes in. The framework we talk about is paid, owned and earned media. So I'll give you an example of paid media, which is in the form of Mindshare got Dhanush to sing Post Kolaveri, an anthem for Sachin. Now within 4 days or 5 days, we got up to about some maybe 10 million views or something on that. That in turn got a viral life of its own, and there were some hate, many likes. Some people did their own versions of that. If you take another, for example, Hero just did their entire new campaign when they moved to Hero Motocorp. There's a hero in each one of us. After the campaign, the entire thing moved to making your own vignettes about sing the song or sing the jingle your way, and that is again, content. So I think the way in which you can use content this way becomes a little bit more engaging. So it's end of the day, what love us, hate us, don't ignore us, right? So you need something which people can talk about, sort of jam with, come out with their own stuff. That's the kind of stuff which is web allows. I actually think integrated media is the best way forward, and I'll tell you why. Today when people talk about multimedia planning, they do a separate TV plan, print plan, radio plan, internet plan, so on and so forth. I believe that if you actually look at it media agnostically and look at common metrics of reach, cost per thousand impressions, stuff like that, outlay, these are the ways in which you can actually construct a media agnostic plan. What that's going to do, that that still doesn't touch the power of the medium. All it tells you is that purely from a reach and efficiency standpoint, how should you be spreading your messages across. But what it does is, it suddenly gets more money coming into digital. And when more money comes into digital, that's when focus is going to come in. Otherwise, if people, right, you just say that with 1500 crore digital industry, we're going to have enormous amounts of energy going into developing a creative format, it won't happen because the commerce won't support it.